This good?
So we decided to purchase a 2007 BMW M6 V10.
You can't sit with your
We're building dreams today. All right, the time has come, ladies and gentlemen. Right behind me is a 2007 BMW M6 V10, which I purchased for $8,500. This M6 right behind me is gonna be the widest, prettiest looking M6 you've ever seen. And I'm gonna take you guys on a journey on how we're gonna do that. So by subscribing to this video, hitting a thumbs up, and leaving a comment, you're gonna help this build go by a lot faster and a lot more efficient, and then I can get to the point where I'm actually building a lot more impressive cars, but I think this car is very impressive as it is. You want me to do a pose for that? Watch. You ready? Here we go. These are the new team shirts, which are available nowhere.
Well,
Here we are. It's D-Day. While we've been hiding the body kit in other videos, it has arrived. You know when we ordered this thing, bro?
what you said like 8 months ago?
Last year, October. And it came in what? A month ago? That's how long I've been waiting for this body kit. Came from Abu Dhabi, then went to Russia. Forever. You gotta hear, dude, like forever. But
And it showed up.
in this most beat up, battered box. So it came in this shiesty box. And there she is. The widest kit for an M6.
It's pretty wide.
It's pretty wide.
Well, I mean, we might as well just be honest with everybody.
100 millimeters
Well, and
wide.
we also kind of mocked it up on the car already.
We did.
For
Yeah, we're
anything.
like children,
We staged all of this actually.
pretty much.
Yeah.
So the ones that we didn't stage, are they unwrapped or I got to unwrap?
Yeah, they're on the bottom.
That's 80 millimeters in the front. And the rear is 100. And we're gonna cut the life out of this car. So drilling through this front fender, we've realized that it's all fiberglass composite, so we have to be super careful when we're drilling, otherwise we could damage the body behind that mounts the panel. So we have to drill all these holes, and then we'll go thread sert everything, and then we'll continue building it back. That's the game plan.
Let's get it.
Time lapse. So we're gonna cut this car up and get this body kit on here. And we have to drill the holes through the side skirt to be able to mount the side skirts onto the chassis, which are made of plastic. So there's another material that's in the mix. We need to drill all the holes so we can get our thread serts inserted into the body where the body kit will be able to mount to for easy removal and access to a lower panel.
So basically, I just went in and popped all these in for him. And
The tool basically screws in there and then it compresses the outside of it and builds like a perfect lock. Yep, see, you just screw this in, right, into the thread cert, push down. Depending on the material, you don't want to go too tight because you could literally rip it out. It buckles the material and squeezes it tight.
nice.
Now we got 3,000 more to go. And when I mean 3,000, I literally mean almost 3,000. Drilling multiple holes, each panel taking at least 16 to 18 thread serts. So this car is actually plastic or fiberglass. There's not much steel on it.
Can we just like take a moment here? Like, how wide did you say this thing is?
100 millimeters in the rear, 80 in the front.
This thing is gonna look insane. Casual day here at Modified Performance.
Just drilling holes in BMWs. Oh, time to thread cert. So now that we've moved on to the rear quarter, which is made out of steel, we're gonna drill all the holes, get the thread certs in, and then we can figure out where we need to cut the body for the wheel to clear.
This side is all mocked up. Looks crazy. Honestly, it does. Look at this back view.
And adding a few more thread certs here in the front fender.
So, no underglow?
I'm thinking no, but you guys leave us a message in the comments and tell me what you think. But back in my day, when there was underglow, it was physical bulbs, like tubes. Remember that?
Yeah.
You hit one bump or a rock and it's like, well, lost one side.
APC.
Yeah. Leave some comments below and you guys can decide if we
Yes
can
or
put
no? Yes or
I'll
no?
let you guys decide.
God.
Woo! It's thick, boy. She thick, boy.
Looks
Oh,
good.
yeah, my wheel tool. Put the tire on there and you can slide this out so you can figure out offset to get your wheels made. So we made a slight little boo-boo here on drilling one of the rear quarter panels here on the passenger rear. Somehow the panel has shifted and we drilled the holes incorrect.
He's okay. Nobody's perfect.
Made a boo-boo.
Somehow it shifted, but we're good because we have Chris.
Right.
Yeah.
Save a hoe. And now we have to have Chris come in here, re-weld these holes shut, and then re-drill to get this sucking fender on. Twat, twat, twat.
Well, that's it. We're done.
Man, no, we're not. Far from it, but it's on. It's really wide, like really wide. Have to cut the body, which that'll be next.
Pretty eventful day one here.
What are we doing right now?
I think we need to finish this video.
It's a wrap. See if you plug that into that outlet right there. The chair. Smoke. Ooh. I feel like I'm being interrogated by the FBI. Right here? Perfect. Perfect. Action. No, I'm just kidding. This is, oh, that ugly headlight.